Chu Kang,
No.
listen to me.
No. Hey! Why?
No! Chu Kang, if we want to be a world-class organization, we have to get our own .com.
Huh? Dog what con? If I don't know what it is, I don't want it.
But we have to keep up with technology, otherwise we'll be left behind. The future is now.
Hey, the future is the future. Now is now. And now PCK Prime Limited is the best in Singapore and JB. We are not behind anyone.
Not even Frankie Fu.
Especially Frankie Fu.
I was just surfing the net the other day and... Ooh, guess what I saw?
Naked woman ah.
frankiefu.com.sg.
Huh?
And, naked women. Frankie has some pictures on his website.
Frankie Fu really has a website. But they're not naked. The girls are wearing bikinis. What happens if I click on the bikini?
Hey, Chu Kang! Stop looking at the girls. We have to get our own website.
And girls will be even sexier.
No, there'll be no half-naked women on our website.
Fully naked.
No!
Then what's the point of having a website?
Because everyone has one.
Oh, good reason. Then we must make the Phua Chu website the best in Singapore and JB.
And some say the World Wide Web.
Yeah. Let's study the Frankie Fu website some more, huh? So we know how to do our website better, huh?
Hey, Chu Kang, no! Stop! Hey, no, turn it off.
Aloysius, you left the computer on again. Look, I don't want your Uncle Chu Kang to blame us for another $500 electricity bill. Hello? Hello? Aloysius!
I understand. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, I just spoke to the internet consultant. She says the website will cost us about 20K.
So much! And don't even have naked woman.
The price includes domain name registration, web hosting, design and programming. Hey, do you think we need a firewall?
What for a computer can catch fire?
Well, it has happened to us before.
Hey, what are you talking about?
But it'd be cheaper without the firewall.
Set, no firewall.
But then people can hack into our website.
I'll get King Kong and I'll go to guard the site, huh? Make sure nobody come near with a hacksaw. Maybe we can get a fire extinguisher, just in case, huh?
What is going on?
PCK Private Limited is getting its own .com.
I thought we were getting a website.
Same thing.
Oh. Huh?
Website? How come you never tell me?
I'm telling you now.
You used to discuss this kind of thing with me first.
This is different, huh? It's a computer thing. Hey, Beng, I still think 20K is too expensive, huh? Can get discount or not?
I'll see what I can do.
Do you want me to bargain for you? I am an expert, huh? They don't call me bargain queen for nothing, you know. What's so funny?
Thanks for the help, Rosie, but we're talking about IT and e-commerce here. But not exactly the same as haggling over the price of ikan kurau in the wet market. Okay.
Hey, Rosie. Hey, you just answer the phone good enough, huh? You leave the IC and big comics to the man.
It's IT and e-commerce.
Whatever.
Have you seen Aloysius?
No, what's the matter, dear?
I need to talk to you. Hello?
Okay.
Hey, we'll talk about the website later, Chu Kang.
Choose.
What?
I just caught Aloysius surfing the internet, looking at women.
What sort of women?
The sort that 14-year-old boy shouldn't be looking at. Okay, that is it. I'm banning the internet from this house.
What? You can't ban the net.
Why not?
Well, because banning the net is like banning the telephone, or the television, or the newspapers.
The dirty magazines?
Yes, but no. Look. The problem isn't with the net. It's Aloysius. Look, okay, maybe it's about time we talk to him about the facts of life. The birds and the bees.
You're right. You do it.
Why me?
Because the both of you are male and you have the same protrusions. Look, you are much better equipped to talk to him than I am.
Yeah, but
I'd do it if Aloysius was a girl.
Is he too young to go for a sex change? What about you?
Chubbs!
All right. Fatherhood sucks.
Want me to teach you computers?
Yes, and this internet thing, especially this internet thing. Everyone is talking about it. I also want to be a hooker.
Hacker? Oh, hacker.
That's it. Huh? So how?
But why you suddenly want to know about computers?
Because of your uncle Chu Kang. He thinks that all I am good at is answering the phone.
But you're so good at so many other things.
Thanks, boy.
Cooking, washing the dishes, cleaning the
Your
toilet.
head, So how? You teach me or not?
Hey, Aloy, how is it going?
How, Uncle Chu Kang?
Oh, Auntie was you just asking me about...
I was just asking him, not to disturb me when I'm answering the phone. Where? This is an office, not a playground, Go outside and play. Go. Hi, small boy, Nobody.
But what do I say to him?
Choops, I'm sure you will think of something. Aloysius. Come. Sit down. Your father wants to have a word with you.
Huh?
Well, good luck.
Hey, what's up, Dad?
Aloysius?
Yeah.
I want to talk to you about...
What is it, Dad?
Do you know what... how... where... your Uncle Chu Kang is?
He's in the office.
Thanks. Chu Kang, I need your help.
Margaret is bullying you again.
It's Aloysius.
Aloy is bullying you?
No. Margaret caught him looking at some women on internet.
Like uncle, like nephew.
Hey,
At least he wasn't looking at men, then I'll be worried.
she wants me to talk to him.
About what?
You know, about the birds and the bees.
Birds and the bees?
You know I wouldn't mind doing it, but it's just that I'm so busy this website thing and...
Oh, no problem. I'll talk to Aloy for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, thanks, Chu Kang.
Hey, just make sure the PCK website is the most solid.
Yeah.
Hey, and the cheapest.
Yes.
Hey, make sure you bargain.
wondering. I'm so sorry to be asking you this, but if you don't mind, could you just like give me a discount? It's okay if you say no because I. No? Oh, okay, thank you.
Is that how you bargain?
Did I come on too strong? I didn't want to appear too pushy.
More like a pushover. What are you pushing for?
Oh, Chu Kang wants me to find someone to help us do our website. I'm trying to get the best price.
Website?
So, have you spoken to Aloysius?
Oh, well, sort of.
What do you mean, sort of?
Well, I asked Chu Kang to do it.
You asked Chu Kang to talk to our son about sex?
Margaret, don't say that word in front of Ma.
You asked Chu Kang to talk to your son about sex?
Ma, don't say that word in front of me. You're my mother.
How could you? You're the father, it's your job.
Thanks, Uncle Chu Kang. I actually had a great time.
Chu Kang, where have you been?
Oh, you wanted me to talk to Aloy about the birds and the bees, right? So I thought, why not just show him?
Oh my God!
You didn't.
I took him to the zoo.
You took my grandson to the zoo to show him animals doing it?
Doing what? What are you talking about? I just wanted to show Aloy the birds and the bees and also other animals. But too bad the zoo has got no bees. But we saw some butterflies.
Chu Kang, when I said the birds and the bees, I didn't mean birds and bees.
Then what? Elephant and fish.
Sex! He's talking about sex!
Birds and bees mean sex? Is that what you learn in Australia? Sex with birds and bees! Yee!
Your father wants to have a word with you.
Again? Well, I was...
Choops, say something.
Okay,
Yeah, Dad?
Boy. Rosie, look, we are very busy at the moment.
Rosie, no. Come on in. Sit down. What a pleasant surprise. Long time no see.
I just saw you this morning.
Okay, no, even a minute is like forever if I don't see my favorite sister-in-law.
What stupid nonsense are you talking about?
Hey, so what have you been up to since this morning? Seen any good movies lately? Tell me, what's the latest in the world of mahjong? Huh?
Anthony, Phua Chu Beng, I know what you're doing.
What? I was just entertaining our guest.
She's not our guest, she's Rosie. Choops, I really think it is time you stop shirking your responsibility as a father.
What? I've never shirked my responsibility as a father.
Yeah, right. You just pass it on to Chu Kang.
Yes. No.
Birds and bees, elephants and fish. What next? Hippo and friends?
No. Hippo and friends?
Oh! Hey, where's Aloysius?
Where are we going?
Away from your crazy parents!
But the computer's upstairs. How am I going to teach you computers without a computer? Yeah. Hey, so how? We can go to Cyber Cafe.
What is that?
A coffee shop with computers.
Coffee shop? Good. I feel like having some kaya toast. Let's go. Come.
Chu Kang, have you seen Aloysius?
Hiya, Beng.
Hey, Chu Kang, look, I'm really sorry if I've not made any progress on our website thing, alright?
Forget about that. Hey, why did you say earlier that you wanted me to talk to Aloy about sex? Huh? I'm just a contractor, okay? To me, birds and the bees are things that can fly.
Well, I guess sex is just something I'm not comfortable with.
Want to know my secret? Pillows.
What?
If you position a pillow just nice, sex can be very comfortable. You can ask Rosie,
No, I mean I'm not comfortable talking about sex.
Talking about sex? Oh, oral. Huh? You still want me to talk to Aloy about sex?
No. I'll do it. I'm the father. It's my responsibility.
And Margaret is forcing you.
Yeah, that too. Fatherhood really sucks.
Oh, talking about sucks,
Oh, I can't find Aloysius anywhere. He must have gone somewhere with Rosie.
Oh. Well, okay. While we're waiting, I have an idea.
Oh no. Ow!
Since you find it so difficult to talk to Aloysius about sex,
I don't have to do it anymore.
no, you can practice on me first.
Practice sex on you?
No, not that you don't need it. I mean, practice talking to me about sex as if I was Aloysius.
No, I can't do it.
Why not?
Well, that's because you already know everything about sex.
True. Well, that's why I'm going to coach you.
But you keep on correcting me and make me more self-conscious than I already am.
Look, I promise I won't keep correcting you. Except when you're wrong.
Kang, Beng Beng told me that you are looking for someone to do your website for you.
Yeah, why?
Your search is over.
Huh?
I'm retired, so I have lots of time to read up and learn how to create a website. I can do it for you.
You?
Yeah. What do you want your website to do?
Oh, I want it to be the best in Singapore and JB. Or at least better than the Frankie Fu one.
What's so special about the Frankie Fu website?
Got half naked wool. Whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can say.
I want to see this Frankie
I
Fu
love
website.
you more than Hey, ma. Oi.
Son,
Yes, Daddy?
there comes a point in a boy's life when
When what, Daddy?
when you start to feel certain urges.
Just to do what, Daddy?
Oh, I can't do this.
Oh, you're doing fine, Chubs. All right. Just cut to the part of where babies come from, okay?
Okay. Where do babies come from?
Chubs!
Okay. All right. I know. Okay. You have the female egg, right?
Right.
Okay. So you have the male sperm, right?
Right.
Okay. So what you do is you mix them all together and wham bam, thank you ma'am, you have a baby. That's where babies come from.
That is the worst baby explanation I've ever heard in my life. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am.
What you're talking about?
Rosie.
Aloysius.
Hey, how long have the two of you been standing there?
Long enough to hear all these sperm things, huh? Talking about sex, is it?
Rosie, not in front of
Hey, what's going on?
Margaret and Abing are talking about sperm.
Will you stop saying sperm? Sperm. What are you doing here?
We need to log on to the net.
Hey, let me do it. I know.
You? Apa then?
See? Look, all this wouldn't be happening if you just let me ban the net like I wanted to in the first place.
But why do you want to ban the net, Mom?
Because of that!
Hey, that's Frankie Fu's website.
Frankie Fu's website.
But I didn't.
No, it was Chu Kang and me. You mean you thought Aloysius was...
You mean you weren't looking at...
You mean I've been through hell for nothing? Hey, that means I don't have to tell you where babies come from after all.
Hey, you're shirking, Chubb, shirking.
But I already know where babies come from.
You do?
Yeah, I learned it in school. It's just like what Dad said about the egg and the sperm, except for the wham bam thank you man part.
Well, I guess I underestimated the merits of sex education in school.
That wasn't sex education. I learned about babies in science class, but I learned about sex from TV.
Eh? Me too. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ting, tang, walla, wham, bam. Thank you, man. Hey, put on the bikini. Ma.
Okay, what shall we have for the pckprivatelimited.com?
Online po.
Good idea!
What's that?
Then we will need CGI. Huh?
What's that?
I was thinking of Java.
Ah, Java! Java, I know. It's in Indonesia, right?
Chuba, you really want to help, right?
Yeah.
Come. Sit down.
Okay.
Hey, look at this. This is the phone, right? Huh? When it makes the ring noise, you just answer the phone, okay? That would be very helpful. Thank you.
Rosie, bye.
I know, live chat.
Wow, Frankie Fu really has a website. But the
Hey, the future is the future. Now is now. And now, PCK Private is the best in Singapore and Joby. Joby?
A Mediacorp Studios production for Channel 5.